Hello! Today we will unbox Dyson v10 Absolute and we will compare its efficiency to IKEA Dirt Fighter set. So here it looks like after going out from one box. This one not sexy and this one is very attractive. What is important, there are seals by Dyson. I hope so nobody have opened it before. It's even more thrilling experience. After cutting 3 seals, there was one also in the middle. We can have a look. How attractive is it inside? Wow! It's really important unboxing experience. Straightly from USA or maybe China. Accessories, smells it even smells very good, very well. Several brushes, a lot of accessories. Docking station somewhere here. I think it's that. Yeah. Will it last long? Will it be more efficient than IKEA wonderful set? We will find out soon. Wow, 60 minutes. We will check that as well. Will it last 60 or maybe 20? Dirt gathered during cleaning, and definitely my verdict is that Dyson Cyclone v10 Absolute is better than IKEA set.